Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 8.05. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this timeframe. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 11.48% since we initially identified Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate just 11 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.04% per day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. This stock has broken through a very wide and weak rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support is now established at the threshold of the current trend, which has been broken at $11.75. This level may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $15.65 is projected to be the next possible peak level, creating a resistance point that might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 6.79% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 29.26% to 5.89%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 115.51%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 41.70% and 353.54% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $16.79 and $53.74. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Rigetti Computing Incorporated Stock Price After Friday Trading. The stock price for Rigetti Computing Incorporated increased by 2.69% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 16th of May, 2025. It climbed from $11.54 to $11.85. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 8.59%, ranging from a low of $11.52 to a high of $12.51. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has increased by 11.48% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also rose on the last day along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 13 million more shares traded compared to the day before. In total, 66 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $779,560,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $21.42, while the lowest was 66 cents. Currently, the stock price is 44.68%, or $9.57, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, trading under the ticker symbol RGTI, has recently garnered attention due to notable volatility in its stock. On the 12th of May, the company announced a staggering 52% drop in revenue compared to the previous year, resulting in a sharp 15% decline in share price. Although this disappointing first-quarter earnings report raised concerns about the company's financial health, it ignited discussions on whether RGTI is a suitable buy, hold, or sell. Just days later, RGTI shares experienced an impressive rebound, surging 18% in response to a significant deal announced by a competitor in the quantum computing sector. This highlights the dynamics of the quantum computing market, where stock performance can shift dramatically with industry news. Analysts have pointed to the speculative nature of investing in quantum computing, cautioning that despite its potential, RGTI's current valuation appears inflated given its minimal revenue and high cash burn rate. In the short term, the fluctuating stock price can create opportunities for traders, but the long-term outlook remains uncertain. While some believe in the transformative power of quantum computing, skepticism persists regarding Rigetti's immediate financial stability and overall market potential. Investors considering RGTI should weigh these factors carefully, as the stock appears to be following a volatile path shaped by both external market influences and internal financial performance. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. Rigetti Computing Inc. stock has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $11.05 and $9.24. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 20.12%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 146 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 31 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.64, a level that may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. In the previous day, the stock fluctuated by 99 cents between its high and low, which represents an increase of 8.59%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 10.94%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, if a company consistently reports negative PE ratios, it may suggest inadequate profit levels and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume as a guide for determining your exit. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $11.64. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing, drawn from various analyst sources, is categorized as a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, Rivas David executed an insider sale of 275,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, McCarthy Cathy L. carried out an insider sale of 150,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. made an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Rivas David also conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, Rivas David executed another insider sale of 351,785 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 10.253. In total, insiders bought 8,244,014 shares and sold 5,229,290 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.41, reflecting a decrease of 3.74%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Recently, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 3 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing Inc. presents several positive signals and has successfully broken out of a weak upward trend. Given the stock's strong technical condition, we consider it a favorable option at these current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. Consequently, we have upgraded our assessment for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 19th of May, we expect Rigetti Computing to open higher by 11 cents, starting at $11.96. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.